headlines. CM and MANDIRA blamed for taking up secret tourism project at Yaralpad. Official quarter of former Deputy Commissioner A. Tombikanta raided. Manipur CM convenes meeting to discuss prevailing political scenario. Several ministers, MLAs likely to skip. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. Citing news articles published in some of the local daily newspapers in the state, spokespersons of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC and MLA KH Joykishan blamed Manipur Infrastructure Development Agency and its chairman Chief Minister N. Biren for taking up a secret tourism project at Yaralpad, Imphal East District in 2014 under the Ministry of Culture. He claimed that the process of e-tender and work order for the state project are yet to be completed. MLA Joykishan also alleged that a large sum of money sanctioned for the first phase of the project had been spent unreasonably. Joykishan said this during a press meet at the Congress Bhavan, Imphal today. MLA Joykishan further gave weightage to his statement by mentioning that he had a talk with the chief engineer of MIDA, during which it came to light that the e-tender process was still on. As such, Joykishan urged the Chief Minister's office to clarify over the spending of Rs 1 crore for the state project.
See, 1 crore hana lakhi bani, 1 crore si utilization certificate pi rama tung da 3.11 lakhi bani. Ado husik hariba midagi chief engineer na hariba si pasamba boxi na balai hai bani. Yes, another installment da laiba 3.11 do di sina de ko ya hai. Adubo hana yi 1 crore si kai sakhi ke karamba contractor se igi natraga material labor chat khibra madu utilize da usi kari himpi ki ke aduga hujik yamna ngagli bana koi mari leina ba authority dagi restricted tender tawgi permission lawri mari leina ba authority si kana no bo adu tourism ministry ne ba masi union gi tourism ministry dagi permission lawgadab ne ba. Sanction is from the Union Ministry, not from the state government. State government ki tourism ki commissioner ki permission lauraga yabra ba. Adu ertaragadi langaks ne miyam da aran ba thawk tawre se expose tawdri bra ba. Already koina ikai khamjari ba honorable chief minister na langaks portfolio khudmu yengchali ba ngarang na aran ba tawme na tawri ba sumai tawdana husi midana tawri se isamona paibiri ba isamona chairman ori ba se masigi asumara masi athu matamda ekhogi chief minister office tagi sengdok pari kane na khanjai.
Joykishan also expressed what he said his astonishment over delay in approving some of the projects taken up under Works Department for the year 2018-19 by CM Biren, who is in charge of Works portfolio.
18-19 ki PWD ki work program asi hojibo approve torum da babse masi yam angak pa mani. Aikoigi work program di approve tore tawdabu administrative approval se amta piramdre. Honorable Chief Minister na lenga si da BJP di lenga da Congress ki minister lisang sina orami MLA si orami. Aduga ako isamaksu akoigi PW work program sem mamang de ko yam ku na khan. Hokiba chai kuira base chai kun thra si daida PW the work program phongaga financial year da AAP da ba administration EP da ba P da bhai base handaki laingak sina han ba oramgan masi history da thokri bani program phongaga administrative approval pi bangam da ba laingak hai base masi aruba mani.
Following former Deputy Commissioner of Tengnopal District, Abujam Tombikanta was arrested by police from Sangai Pro in connection with fund embezzlement. A police team raided his official quarter at Imphal today. The raid started from 10 this morning. Media was not allowed near the premises. Tombikanta was sent to 8-day police remand by the Court of Judicial Magistrate first-class channel on Monday. He was arrested on the charges of misuse of compensation money meant for land acquired for expansion of Imphal More Road section of National Highway 102 to be made 4-lane. In connection with the present political scenario in the state, Chief Minister N. Biren has convened a meeting for all the state MLAs and ministers under the ruling government, which will take place this evening at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. According to information received by Tom TV, it is doubtful that the meeting will be attended by all the leaders, since 12 of the leaders, including Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Thongam Biswajit, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen, and other MLAs are still camping in New Delhi to assess the current political crisis. On the other hand, the Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Khemchand, is all set to leave for Delhi as directed by central government last night. Proprietor of MS Kabok making industry, Irangbam Awanglekai, Bishnupur district, has stressed on the need to establish successful business instead of relying on government jobs. Here's an exclusive report.
By Sanatombi Devi Kabok making industry got registered under District Industry Center in 2012 and started kabok production the following year. Before making this her occupation, Sanatombi did much unsuccessful business. Due to rise in the demand, she took a loan of Rs 3 lakhs under Prime Minister Employment Generation Program in 2018 to boost her business. She employs 3 to 4 people, paying around Rs 200 per day. Her family members are also engaged in the kabok making business. She has been able to generate around 70,000 rupees since November 2018, but Sanatombi still faces lack of capital investment to meet the high demand. Her products include kabok muri, kabok bhul, khoibak, hamai bol, chamu kabok, thoiding kabok, lalu sarai, chini chapu, and other varieties. Sanatombi is a successful entrepreneur. She believes that she will be able to employ more people by increasing input with the help of the state government.
2012 tare start toraga 13 dagi export tawdana hanbada buaiman sanglenda export tawre mathangda fast traditional manipur lomboy khongnangda khongda tawbasida anirak subo oine export tawba hauki madagina hoji phawbasida miyoibagi pokpadagina siba phawbada changiba polam achi puthoktana aina miyam mafamda piba ngami ai khaktana tana masisida aigi lekai sida leiba makhoi mangagi thabak pidana chuminari sahi magi lorok tha sida phausi loksalaga aina phawon yangkhai chama si losan bada karoi phangba thiba phangdaba matam sida aigi di mayamgi kaboksi luhongba amadi haijabo choisi asti chandongi sigumbagi posi yam pibani na yam thuna pawje loithokibani aduna ai phaw loithokare haina chenbada awaba moibanina phawsi stock ta thamningi.
Sanatombi said that food can turn poisonous if proper care is not taken. During her lecture as a master trainer through DIC and also while making products at her industry, she always gives emphasis on the hygiene and safety measures. She urged that we must try to concentrate on starting and running successful business rather than waiting for government jobs. Not only will it increase our family income, but also the state income. She urged the people to seek government's help to join job-oriented training in any field, adding that hard work definitely yields success.
Ananba building oidana yamna nana sabo oiragadi pothoksu hena pothokani sensu yam tanba ngamgani ngasi makoina mi mari manga suriba thabak sidagi mi tara phawa thabak piba ngamgani haina aina acha chaongna khanjai sengi matang si yam sen yamna changba poroibanina aina pangthoningba thabak si paikhatpa ngamnabagi damakta sarkargi maikaidagi amandi bengsingi maikaidagi mateng pangbira taragadi aina tauge khanba aina puthoke khanba pon makhaisi mrangaina puthokpa ngamgani haina khale.
Sanatombi also urged the public to cultivate the habit of paying back the money borrowed from the bank, as it will help other people who need the money. Sanatombi said that fruit processing industry can also be set up with fruits grown in the state to earn more money.
I'll announce now. We'll take you now to the exclusive report of the meeting which is going on inside the CM Secretariat building. So, Kishore Chand, can you hear us?
Okay, yes. So the political turmoil has been going on in the state for the last couple of months, especially when the 4 NPP MLAs were given the ministerial berth. Some junior MLAs of within the BJP party raised the voice against giving the ministerial berth, 4 ministerial berth to NPP. On the other hand, Naga People's Front also raised a question of getting just 1 ministerial berth in the BJP-led government in Manipur. Now, the government has tried to play down any tussles between the coalition partners. The spokesperson of the government has also tried to play down any tussle, any differences in the opinion within the government. However, it is now becoming more clear and clear that the tussle within the government is happening, and definitely it is taking place. Now today the Chief Minister of Manipur had called for an emergency meeting here at the CM Secretariat behind me. However, out of those 32 MLAs within the government, just few of them attended the meeting being held here closed door at the CM Secretariats. Those who attended the meeting being held here are Minister Sham Kumar, Minister Karam Sham, Minister Radhesham, and among the MLAs K. Robindro, H. Dingo, O. Lukhoy, T.H. Chartaberta, Bira, S. Rajan and S. Ranjan. So if you look at the numbers of MLAs and ministers attending this meeting here at CM Secretariat, it is very clear that of course there is differences in the opinion within the government. Now out of this 32 MLAs and ministers, most of them who are not here in this meeting are camping at Delhi and trying to meet the central leaders again to pressure the central leaders for the chief minister's replacement. They have been demanding the faction, the group led by T.H. Bishwajit, Minister T.H. Bishwajit has been demanding replacement of Chief Minister N. Biren, and this has been going on for quite some time now. Although they try to play down that there is no tussle within the government, it is now becoming very clear that something is for sure going to take place. I would also like to remind you that the Speaker Y. Khemchan has rushed to the Delhi when following the central leadership has called him to come to Delhi and then choke out the differences in the opinion. Also, I would like to also remind you that the central leadership has already warned that if the issue is not settled, if the consensus is not brought about within the government, probably a third party, a third person might bring in and then become the chief minister of Manipur. And another option is, of course, that the president rule may also be imposed in the state if this tussle, if this differences in the opinion goes on for the next couple of days. Another very interesting development happening right now is that the Manipur governor, Dr. Najma Heptullah, will be on leave, and the governor of Nagaland, P.B. Acharya, will take charge as the governor of Manipur from tomorrow. So the developing political scenario is very uncertain. We cannot concretely say what is going to take place in next couple of days. However, it is very much clear that there is a tussle within the government, there is a tussle within the coalition partner, and no matter how much the government try to play down, it is very clear that of course there is a tussle, and that's why this meeting which is being held at the CM Secretariat is not fully successful, because most of the MLAs, BJP MLAs, most of the BJP ministers are not attending this meeting at the CM Secretariat right now. We have seen that among those MLAs and ministers who are attending this meeting, some of them have started to leave the campus, the CM Secretariat. We cannot as of now say what has been transpired, what has been talked, what has been discussed in the meeting right now. But yes, we will get the update back to you very soon.
Well, thank you, Kishore Chand, for the live update. Thank you for the live update. And moving on to the next news, we have, after a report of Roni Bala, who hasn't been able to manage operation expenses after a heart attack, due to poor family condition was aired on Tom TV on 25th June. She has been admitted to RIMS Hospital for treatment under the instruction of Medical Superintendent MS RIMS. Earlier, Dr. Dhanaraj treated Ronnie Bala, but she was referred to Dr. Sachin. Dr. Sachin said that Ronnie Bala will be kept under observation and the treatment will start after thoroughly studying her reports.
Naunamuk yengba aduga mahaki darkar leba hidak singdu piraga further investigation adigi angiography gumba tawraga koi echocardiogram gumba tawraga muk hannamuk magi phananaba loinana koi RIMS da leriba facility singdu yariba makai sizindanaba aduga chief minister gi haksel gi tengbang gi leriba khudok chaba singju yarige phanganaba honajagari.
Well, let's head into a short break, but coming up, Labour and Employment Minister Radheshyam says drug policy for families of drug addicts needs to be introduced. More after the break.
Chakhumgi kolik singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamag laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kayagi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom lerak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani. Hena kupamarol gidamak aikogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tawirao.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changlena coaching tohonba.
Mama paga manana warak watimbi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur, Federation of Indian NGOs for Drug Prevention and Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol jointly observed the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking of Maharaj Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound today. Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister V. Hankhanlian, Social Welfare and Cooperation Manipur Minister Nemcha Kipgin, Education, Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Principal Secretary, Social Welfare V. Vumlungman and President in charge of Kara Hijam Priyokumar Singh were present during the function. Speaking at the function, Education, Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam underscored the need to introduce a drug policy for the families of drug addicts. He asserted that lecturing children to stay away from drugs by parents who consume tobacco themselves will not bring any change and good.
अफवा ओइनिंगदबा मीसी कना लेगिसी सी यावरे बांगाम लोइनमक से मोइसी लोइनमक परीक्षा टॉपर ओइनिंगी लोइनमक अफवा मी ओइना अफवा लोइनमक मी ममा पान हाइबि इन लोइनमक ओइनिंग बट ओइनिंगगा फतबा थबक तौनिंग्रा फवा ता तौनिंग फतबा ओइरेसी करिगिनो हाइबसे मसी याम कुपना नैनबम संगे लायंग खोजंग अदुदा फैक्टर मयाम ने ख्वाइदे मरु ओइरेदी अकोइ साफलकoi मतुंगिना अकोइ सोसाइटी दा सोशल सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम क्या ने रंबा मची मनाव मचा मसु ममा मपा मचा लेरम मनुसीना मरी म्याम से लोइन मफम राम खंगना थुगाय रखरे अदुन मरम वरकाना many of children I सा मसु खाओ हे मतलब मदा in spite of having everything I लोइन मक लेना इमा सो इपा सो इसे नाउ सा था लोइन ले रकाना लेना I had a feeling that I don't have anything.
Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB Manipur observed International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking as per United Nations resolution on June 26, 1987. NAB Imphal West Superintendent Wanthem Basu Singh said that the staff of NAB department staged rally marching through Governor Crossing, Kanglapat and Khoyathong Crossing to mark the occasion. The department also conducted banner display and awareness program in connection with the day in different schools, colleges and public places since the beginning of June, he added.
International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking in observe to June first week side dagi school kya are colleges kya ama adagi public place me amna koina banner display adagi pamphlet distribution kya ama towi adagi ai officer additional SP tharga school manga taruk ta jo awareness program kya am pangthokre aro ngasi jina main day oibnina koina ngasi ai office tagi rally ama ina flag up togi route china ai office NAB dagi horaga akoi governor crossing then Kanglapat Paring the Chatlaga LIC crossing Kuya Thong Bok Chatpa adagi asom dagi mu saman baru sida halaga adagi marak sida khoi 26 January je khoina celebrate to isi maram background ji 1987 da UNO United Nation Organization gi resolution amagi matungina every year ki 26 June ji khoi International Day Against Drug and Illicit Trafficking hain observe tawni na mai resolution tarpri torok.
Border Security Force of Subsidiary Training Center STC Churachandpur district also organized a mass rally in connection with International Day of Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking to spread awareness among the masses over the responsibilities of man in uniform in fighting against drugs in the society. Kendriya Vidyalaya Lamphel observed International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on the theme Fight Against Drug Abuse today. High-ranking officials of Narcotics Control Bureau, Imphal, officials of Narcotics Control Bureau, Manipur Police and principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya along with the faculties and students of the school attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Superintendent NAB Manipur Police Wanthem Basu opined that the function was observed to spread awareness about the negative impact of drugs and urged the young students to stay away from drugs for healthy mind and healthy life. He asserted that students must be mentally and physically fit to achieve their target.
By you, then you can inform the teachers or parents so that they can be rehabbed, they can be bring to the mainstream again. So this is very important aspect. Further, you can form buddy peers, you can form groups. If any signs or anything come up in your group, you can inform the teachers. So the teachers have also greatest role to play to make children stay away from drugs.
A rally to mark the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking under the theme Walk and Run Against Drug was held at Moirang today. SDPO of Bishnupur KSH Sivakanta Singh, IPS, and officer in charge OC RK Anil Kumar led the rally, which started from Moirang police station and covered many places of Moirang. Volunteers held placards like Love Saves Life, Drugs Take Lives, Don't Drug Yourself Down. When you take drugs, your loved ones pay for it. Choose life, not drugs. Drugs you use, you lose. The more you use, the less you live during the rally. Speaking during the occasion, SDPO of Bishnupur KSH Shivakanta appealed to the public to work in hand with the police towards curbing drug abuse. OC RK Anil Kumar urged the clubs and organizations to coordinate with the police in taking out the drive against sale of intoxicants. He further said selling of such items within 100-meter radius of educational institutes should be banned. More than 300 volunteers, including students of various schools of Moirang, students of Moirang College, NCC cadets, member of Mampil, members of Loktak Lake Tourism Development Corporation Society Limited, volunteers of Moirang Boat House Medical Team, staffs of Moirang Police, volunteers of various CSOs took part in the rally. As part of the program, Moirang Police organized an awareness campaign at Diligence Public School, Moirang. We'll take another short break. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Smart Universal Academy da class 9 tamlibi mahiroi Elangam Reshma Devina Indian Space Research Organization as sponsored taukiba Sri Harikota amasung Nesak Shillong da pangthokiba Young Scientist Program da mahakna group leader oiba group aduna identification of water by satellite imaging haiba project asina second position tarakpada school management teaching and non-teaching staff Smart Universal Academy na nungaiba amasung apenba pongdokchet
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission tobibi yaragani campus manung da masagi hospital leizaraba Medical College ni room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Lilong Police Station led by Officer in Charge K. Sundar Bala yesterday around 11:30 p.m. intercepted an A-Star car at Lilong Turel Hanbi and arrested 4 individuals, namely MD Sabi Ahmed, aged 27, MD Hassan, aged 25, MD Riajuddin, aged 40, and MD Abdul Rajak, aged 45, along with 3,980 SP tablets, 150 and 10 tablets, 109 bottles of cough syrup, cash of rupees 5 lakhs, 54,700, a .32 revolver, 1 SBBL, .32 ammunition with 6 live rounds and 2 mobile phones.
Patagi MD Abdul Razak Hariba Mioy Asigi Mayumdagi Akoi Red to Changjaki, Madudagi Akoina 3,980 SP tablet Pangzaki Amadi N10 tablet Haribasi 150 Pangzaki Amadi cup syrup bottle 45 Pangzaki Mazidagi Hen Doctana .32 revolver Amadi 6 live round Yauba Amasung .32 single barrel gun Amasu Amadi Koigi Paisa Oina Lak 5,54,700 recover Tokzaki. Koigi drive against drug abuse Amadi Akoigi Huzik Ladiba Naharol Singna Sijinariba drug Sigumbasing Azi Tingbada Akoigi public support Mayam Changi Maramasina Akoigi police ki side Tagizo public na Ngamamateng Pangbiu Haina Hizini.
A combined team of Moray Commando and 43 Assam Rifles seized WY tablets worth rupees 3 crore at New Champhai of Tengnopal district and arrested the drug peddler identified as TH Khaigunlen Haukip of Chikim village, Moray last evening, a report said today. The security forces frisked passers-by along the highway on receiving a reliable tip-off, during which the drug peddler was apprehended along with 12,392 WY tablets worth around rupees 3 crore in the international market. He was later handed over to Moray police station for further investigation, the report said. Moray police, in association with several public leaders of different communities, observed the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking by taking out a mass rally in and around the surrounding areas of Moray today. The rally, organized by Tengnopal District Police, convened an anti-drug message. SDPO of Moray Police, Binoy Chongtham, DSP TH Thomas and other police officials participated in the rally. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo today met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi to discuss several contentious issues as well as ways to strengthen the India-US ties. Pompeo also met Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar to prepare the groundwork for the summit-level meeting between US President Donald Trump and PM Modi on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Osaka, Japan on July 28. This is the first high-level engagement between India and US government and comes at a time when both the countries have a lot of thorny issues to iron out. Other issues expected to be discussed between the two sides are Indo-US trade relations, S-400 deal, H-1B visa, defense purchases, terrorism in Pakistan. However, India's biggest concern is how to deal with US sanctions against Iran and Russia. Pompeo is in India till June 27. Now some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Territorial Council discussed in Sioux Talk. Poses raised over selection of NGOs. DM University still far from being a varsity. MSU suspense. DMU stir. Imphal Free Press. Former DC Tombi Kanta, who contested Border Pillar 81, arrested for graft. 7th round of political dialogue with Kuki militants held at Delhi. The People's Chronicle. Kuki talks begin. Boundary issues in next round. Ex-DC Technopole arrested over land compensation. Visa service and the Smart City project to begin July. State receives 26.4% less rainfall this year. The Morning Bell. Farmers' body denounces existing distribution system of fertilizer. Warns of stir over partiality. Government making efforts to fight drought by providing irrigation pumps, says Chief Minister. Kuki political dialogue successful. Boundary issues to be discussed in next round. Manipur Mail. Students of DM University stage protest. Works affected. 10,000 trees to be planted at Kangla, says Chief Minister. 3 urban flagship missions has completed 4 years.
Now the headlines once again. CM Anbirin blamed for taking up secret tourism project at Yaralpa. Official quarter of former Deputy Commissioner A. Tombikanta raided. Manipur CM convenes meeting to discuss prevailing political scenario. Several ministers, MLAs likely to skip. This is all for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.